to maximize your profits with less stress? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the futures grid bot on Pionex step by step. You'll see how to purchase crypto from major exchanges and deposit into your Pionex Trading account. Whether you are a complete beginner or an advanced crypto trader, the futures grid bots on Pionex will automate your trading for consistent gains. Stick around and start trading smarter today. Hello, I am GekoodHub and welcome to my channel. I have been in crypto space since 2020 and over the years, I have learned valuable skills that can turn you from a complete beginner to an advanced crypto investor. I also value fitness and personal development. If you resonate with this, then this is the place to be. Subscribe and welcome. We want to make good use of the Binance P2P trading platform. Once you are on Binance homepage, you click on the P2P. I want to buy USDT, which is the Tether stablecoin. So I'll be looking here to see on these traders and see the one who has the price range that falls within the amount that I want to make purchase of this USDT. So I want to buy USDT worth 1500 Kenyan shillings, which is roughly $11. I found someone who has price range that falls under what I want to buy. Is Sergio, so I'll just click buy. Then I'll put the amount, which is 1500 Kenyan shillings. It goes for 11.43 USDT. So I'll place my order. Then I chat Sergio. I can see that Sergio was online 7 minutes ago, so in order to not waste time, I can just go ahead and call him to confirm that his online is not asleep yet. So just go under view payment details. Because I'm using M-Pesa, I have his number here. I'll just copy it, then call him to just confirm that he is still awake and not asleep, because I want to make this order very fast. So I've just called Emmanuel. You can see the real name is Emmanuel Otieno. So I'll just finish off this transaction. So I'll just copy the number of, and you need to confirm how much you're going to be paying. I'm going to be paying 1500 Kenyan shillings to Emmanuel Otieno. Just go to my M-Pesa. Then I click on send money. I want the phone number already copied, just paste it. And then you confirm that it's the correct number. So it's ending with 24. Then I click OK, 1500. You are seeing there, M-Pesa is saying Emmanuel will receive that amount, cost is that amount. So I just click OK because I've confirmed everything. Then once you've paid the seller, now you click here to transfer and notify seller. So I can see there I'm being told that I must upload and send at least 1 and up to 3 proof of payment to the seller. So just go to your messages and then you screenshot it. So I'll just edit this one very fast. I'll crop it because I don't want him to see my other transactions. Then you select the image. So that's it. Then you click to I have read and understood the above information. So just transfer and notify seller. So it's now on his part to finish off the transaction so that the USDT will be released into my wallet, because I've already sent him my money. It's now on his part. So at this part now where Binance will be holding his tokens into the escrow, so he can't really scam me because we have the third party here, which is Binance. So the good part is that under P2P, the Binance P2P platform is connecting the buyer and the seller it now acts as the security because its holding is USDT, and once I've said that I've transferred the money, then he'll now release the tokens into my wallet. As you can see, he's now released the $11 into my wallet. So this is very safe way to be trading crypto. It's fast, it's efficient, it's safe because we have Binance here acting as the third party. So I go under wallets and then under spot. Okay, now you can see it's now updated the amount of US dollar that I have in my Binance account. You can see under funding I have some amount, $11.45. So those USDT that I bought from P2P are under my funding wallet. Because I want to now withdraw them, I have to transfer them to my spot wallet. So coming here under spot, then I click on transfer. So I'm saying transferring from funding wallet to spot wallet USDT. Let me go with max. So that's $11.43. Now that USDT is under my spot wallet. Now I want to transfer the $11 into my Pionex trading account because I'll be going to trade futures grid bot on Pionex. Now I want to transfer the USDT into my Pionex account. If at all you've not already created your Pionex account, check into the description of this video. I'll put the link so that you can get started with the Pionex. Create an account. It's very simple. Just need your ID and to also take a selfie of yourself to verify that you are a real human being. Check under the description. I'll put the link for you. Now coming under Pionex home, under the top here is saying my account. Click there and now it will take you to your account. So I can see everything that I'm trading here, the amount that I have here. Because I want to deposit, I just click to deposit. Then I'll choose the Tether, which is the recommended one. So we have very many networks here under Pionex. We have Tron, which is TRC20 Ethereum, but now you need to be very keen. We want to be cost efficient when we are going to be doing these trades, because some of these networks will charge you a lot of money when you're going to transfer your USDT from Binance. So I'll be going back to Binance to see the fees. I want to check the withdrawal charges from Binance under the various networks that they support. Okay, my team Arsenal is still opening some ass. That's very great for me for a weekend. So here under Tether we go to withdrawal, then send via crypto network. You can see my team is opening some ass. Arsenal 4-1 Crystal Palace. So here under networks, now we want to check on the withdrawal charges. BNB, you can see it's 0 USDT. So when you're going to transfer this crypto using B20 network, which is the BNB Smart Chain network, you're going to be charged $0. That's the great part about trading with the BNB Smart Chain network and also within Binance, because the withdrawal charges are very negligible. Then the OPBNB is $0 also. Minimum withdrawal is very high for you. You need $20 in order to withdraw. Then you can see Tron will be charging you $1. Polygon. So we have very many networks here being supported by Binance. But now going back on Pionex, we can see the list is not that long compared to Binance. So we want to avoid that Ethereum completely, because from Binance we can see it's charging us up to $6. Let's just find the Ethereum network here. It's charging you $6 in order to withdraw from Binance. So because I already have up to $11 from Binance, I'll comfortably withdraw using BNB Smart Chain, the BIP20, because it's charging me nothing. So why not do it? So in order to withdraw or to deposit into Pionex, you'll need the wallet address from Pionex. So we are going to be using BIP20 network. So just click it here. It's already brought us the contract address. Just copy. You need to make sure that you are using the right network. So you can see the deposit network is BIP20. So we go back to Binance. Now we want to choose our network, which is the BIP20. Then under the address, you long press, then paste. Then now we be choosing max. I want to just withdraw everything from Binance, and I click on withdraw. So you can see there it's saying BIP20 Smart Chain Network, the contract address, the amount, network fee is 0, withdrawing under spot wallet. So just confirm. So I need to wait for the blockchain to finish off this transaction. So it's under withdrawal process. You can view the history. So it's processing. Once it's done, I'll get a notification, and then I'll now proceed on to the trading under Pionex futures grid bot. We want to automate our trading. There's no need of always staying on the charts and wasting valuable time when AI or bots can do these things for us. I've just received a message that my USDT is waiting for me on Pionex. You can also see Binance is saying that I've successfully withdrawn the $11. So I now want to proceed on under Pionex. Here under Pionex, you can now see my US dollar has increased from $68 to $80. Let me see how much USDT I have. You can see there it's $11.43. Now we are going to be trading under futures grid bot. So you need to be very keen under here, because this thing is new to you. For me, I've been watching this thing and I've seen how it's done. Earlier on I was using the spot grid bots, but now when you come here under bots, then you can see the first one, there's create, there's ranks, there's lead. Under lead is now where you can now create your own bot, and then other people can now copy it so that you can get some rewards from those guys copying your bot. But now we just want to create bots here. One valuable thing that I learned here, or what made me to really want to create as a futures grid bot, is under the ranks. If at all you know about Pionex, or you've seen my other videos about Pionex, if at all you've not seen it or seen them, I'll also link them below, or I'll put them under the end screen so that you can also watch and learn about spot grid trading. So when we come here under the ranks, so this one is ranking the top performers, which are the coins. So you can see all the coins, you can see the top performing trading pairs for all, or you can choose for spot grid bots, or you can also choose for futures grid bots specifically. Okay, now we are under top performers. I want you to look under top performers under all. So this one is showing us bots on spot grid and bots on futures grid. One thing you need to be very keen on under top performers, which type of bots are leading here, which type of bots are giving people much money when they use them. Because for it to be a top performer, it means that it's giving the traders more money, that particular type of bot. So we have here USLink/USDT perpetual, but which type of bot is it? So we can see here it's futures grid bot long 75x, which is the leverage. But now we just want to know the type of bot. When we scroll down, you can see it's a long list of futures grid bot. We don't see the spot grid bots here. So it's the futures grid bots that are giving people money. That's why we need to be going with the futures grid bot here. You can go under bots popularity. So you can see the most popular bots are spot grid bot, then the futures grid bot. Then there are other bots, up to 15 of them. Spot grid bot being the most popular doesn't mean that it will be giving you more money, because from the top performers we've seen, it's the futures grid bots that are giving people more money. You can see the first one is up to 2000%. The second one is 887%. So why not trade with what's giving people money? Because we want to make money. It's all about making money here. So we want to create our bot, but we will be going the safer way. We'll just be using Bitcoin. When we go under create, we have spot grid, then the futures grid, or you can just click under futures because we want to go with futures. So it's futures grid, long or short to profit from the market. Then we click it. So when we click it, the coin here is it's already set under BTC, but you can just click there and change the type of coin that you want. If at all you want to trade Ethereum, that's okay, but for me I'll just be going with BTC. There's an option to copy strategy. So this one will be copying from the already created bots that are performing here. But now when you are going to be copying a particular bot, it means that the amount of money that you are going to be putting in here is already controlled. So for example, if I click this one, you can see the minimum investment that's required from me is up to $571, because I don't want to put that kind of amount. I want to be copying this bot. I'll just go with my customized bot. So I'll just click here under customize. When it comes to futures grid trading, the trend is your friend. Futures grid trading, it's just like the normal trading where you're going to be trading a forex indices using either MT4, MT5, and you need to really be knowing what you're doing. So I'll be using TradingView to look at the overall trend of the crypto market under Bitcoin, and from this one I can see that the overall trend is an uptrend. This is a weekly candle chart, and as you can see, Bitcoin has been going up. It made up to an all-time high of $108,000. From what I've seen, I'll be choosing price range of 50k to 108k. That is the range that I want to trade within, because from this one you can see the Bitcoin market is so bullish, and the support is at around 50k, which is marked by blue. Then the resistance is at $108, around there. This is the price range that I want to base my trading on. So with this type of market, I'll be going with the long for this futures grid bot. So I'm choosing long. Then the lowest price I'm putting 50k. Then the highest price I'm putting 108k. Now the second part is now choosing the quantity of grids. So let me just put a number here, 20 grids. So when I put 20 grids, you can see the profit per grid is 2.87 to 6%. I have here my investment, so I need to choose a price. Then auto reserve, you can see under investment there's something that is saying here auto reserve extra margin. It means that after enabling this function, the system will automatically reserve a part of the investment amount as extra margin, and this will make the estimated liquidation price further away from the market price and reduce the risk of forced liquidation. After the robot is created, you can also add or withdraw the extra margin as required. What this does is actually it makes you to have a low risk of being liquidated into the market. It means that your money will be taken by Pionex when your price goes too low from what you've set as the lowest price that you want this bot to be trading at. So when you set this one on, it will mean that you will need more money in order to invest here. So for this one, I'll need up to $86. But if I turn it off, you can now see this one will require me to have $51 only. Another way that I can reduce my investment amount is actually increasing my leverage. So you can see here under actual investment it's saying 3x, which means I'll be trading with 3x leverage. But if at all I want to reduce my principal, I can again click here and increase my leverage. So I'll be going with 5x. So once I've increased it, and now click OK. So from $51 you can see it's going back to $30. So that's second way of reducing the principal that you need to be putting under here. The third way that you can use to reduce your principal is now going to step 2, which is the quantity of grids. Because I have 20 grids, I'll need $30. But now if at all I want to reduce my investment amount, I can go with 12 grids. So you can see this one has updated. I only need $17 in order to open this bot. So again, I can reduce the amount of grids that I have, and now this one puts me at a bracket of $11. So you can see 3 ways to reduce your principal. There's one thing that you really need to be keen on. This one is under the leverage. The leverage is a double-edged sword. It can either make you money or it can lose you money. The more leverage you have, the more money you can make. And also this is the quickest way to lose money, because your liquidation price will be so close to your lowest price. So if at all I put a leverage of up to 10x, Exceeding 10x leverage may increase the liquidation possibility. Please be aware of risk control. So in order to avoid being easily liquidated in the market, just use a leverage that is reasonable. So I'll just go with the 5x. Then I want to now set my stop loss and see what happens here. So my lowest price was 50k, so I'll put a stop loss of 49k. So I already have a number of grids. Now I put my investment $11.1. Then now you can see with the leverage of 5x, now my actual investment after leverage is $55.5. So here I have an estimated liquidation price of 60,365. So liquidation price is very high from my lowest price. So in order to lower that liquidation price, I can add more money into my wallet so that the liquidation price is being lowered more. So for this stop loss, it won't work because my liquidation price is higher than the stop loss price. But in order to actually mitigate that liquidation, the best way to do it is to add more money into your wallet so that you have more money that can be used as a margin. Or you can also turn on the auto reserve, which I've put off, so that it can also help me to lower that liquidation price. So because I just want to use this one as a test, I'll just go ahead and use this price, which the liquidation price is at 60k. The current Bitcoin price, let me see on trading view, we are at 100.5k. so let me just also delay the time that it will take for me to be liquidated. So I'll put it to be 10 seconds. Then I go ahead and create this board. So parameters, the estimated liquidation price is within the grid price. Please be aware of the risk of forced liquidation. So I'll get a forced liquidation if at all the price of Bitcoin goes lower. So I'll just click it to confirm. So I have here my bot created with just $11. I've seen how I've manipulated those figures to enable me to trade with $11. I've turned off the auto reserve, I've reduced the amount of grids that I'm using, and I've increased the leverage from 3x to 5x.
Listen, you can use Pionex bots to automate your trading. However, there's still risk since you are not in full custody of your crypto tokens. You can learn other safer ways to generate passive income with your crypto tokens by grabbing my free ebook when you subscribe to
GekoodHub email newsletter.
You can also join our private community,
GekoodHub Success Forum,
where we dive deeper into the crypto space, trading, fitness, and books on finance and personal development. All the links are available under the description below.